Hey guys, it's Matthew from the Key Republic, and I know it's been a while for a C# tutorial, but I'm back. I'm sorry, school started. I just started high school, so everything's really new to me. So high school's been fun so far. So anyways, we're gonna get into C#, something I'm not actually taking, disappointing. But anyways, back on subject. So today we're gonna get deeper into variables and learn how to get an input. This will be annoying, I can tell you that right now, but it's really easy to understand. So open up Microsoft Visual C#. Okay. So file, new project. Even though usually I start from the other way, I decide this way. So we're gonna go vars. Vars. Okay, there we go. So vars. And while it's creating vars, we're gonna be waiting. So I'm sorry that I haven't really gotten a video up in a while, but I will more often, and it's gonna start. The deeper we get in, the more I'm gonna have to upload, so you guys don't lose yourself. So here we go. Everyone, you guys remember this? It's the simple console dot write line. Oh my gosh, I typed it right. And then we're gonna do the hello world to review. So remember, without the read line, you will not get anything. It didn't show up, but it like flashed. So anyways, here you're gonna see that the reason why is because there's nothing else to do. The computer finished its code and said, okay, I'm done, I'm closing. So it's gonna wait for an input. The reason it's gonna wait for the input, well, if it waits for the input, it's not gonna go till it gets that input, meaning it's in pause. So just you need to understand that, remember that. So then we also have variables. Strings are for words and phrases. So why is that in caps? Vars equal, and then we're gonna type hello world. So, and if I put that in here without quotations, because I am stating a variable, not a word, it's gonna work. Oh, here it is, hello world. And then we can type in anything if you remember, and it will work. Now, if you don't remember, it was ints that do the numbers, because strings are completely different. So int vars equals 12. Don't put a decimal, because remember that will break it. So 12. And if I wanted to write 12, I would put in vars and run the program. Here we go, 12. And we can mess around and close it. So to finish, like to really get in depth, we're gonna start learning how to get information from the user. Because what we've been doing is, as the developers, we've been giving them information. Oh, there you go. Text is on the screen. Instead of them saying, here, we want you to display this text or save this text. So how to do this is, we're going to create a string, and then it's going to be called vars, or vars, and then we're actually going to put console dot readline. What? That doesn't make sense, Matthew. Yeah, it does. Stop lying to yourself. Anyways, it makes sense because I told you, this is to read the line and get an input. So when the string I name vars, is reading input, that's the information it is, the input that comes in. So we're going to want to display that information that came in, and we're going to ask it to write it out. So I put this on here, and I'm going to say my name is Matthew. Hit enter, and my name is Matthew. Wow, you too. Oh, stupid me. Anyways, that was stupid. But anyways, if you don't understand, it's really simple. I named the string VARs, and I said it's a string, right? Then I want the information to be what was just put in, at like what just happened. So if you look at it again, it makes sense with the code. Hi. This is the line that's being read. So console, right here. I'm addressing console. Console, write the line VARs, or the string VARs. VARs is equal to just what was just put in, so it writes back hi. Wow, good job. Small voice crack. Whatever. Get over yourself. Okay. And then it's going to read our line again, but it really doesn't do anything except just pause our line for us. Okay. So that's how you do with strings. It's not that hard with strings. Then we come to integers, which is a real jerk. So we're going to say jerk equals convert. Yeah, convert, not console, convert. To int 32 console dot readline. Oh, and that's pretty annoying. But remember, parentheses are after readline, even inside of parentheses. Oh, this is not real anymore. So pretty much this one's a little harder to understand, but not really. I'm creating an integer named jerk because this whole thing's a jerk. And I'm converting to a 32-bit because an integer is the 32. The line console.readline, because console.readline doesn't work with a normal integer because it's meant for strings. It's meant for phrases and words. If we try this, we're gonna get a giant error saying you are really stupid, never try this again. Cannot imply string to int, so we convert it. So in the convert, it will understand this becomes a 32-bit. It's because it's converted, and so jerk understands it. So when we run it, there we go. We can put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. That was too big. Damn it. I broke my program. You guys, I'm sorry. Oh, no. I just didn't write anything back. Jerk. Jerk. Twerk. You know what? That's going to be the new type of twerk. It's going to be a mix between a jerk and a twerk. Anyways. Now, what the hell? Okay. Okay, that was helpful. So I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to warn you. Oh, by the way, the last line's a normal read line, so it can be a string. Any number. Like, not number, letter. If you put this many numbers, it will break. Oh, and if you put that, by the way. Yeah. Error. Input was not the correct. Yeah, that was because I put that by accident. I'm sorry. But anyways, so that was pretty much strings in depth and inputs. It's pretty simple, and you're going to be using it all the time because you rarely display information out. I mean, really? How many times am I going to just type out, hello world, la la la? No, I'm going to be asking for information, and based off that answer, we're going to display information. which is if sentences next time. Punks. So, I'm Matthew from the Key Republic, and thanks for watching. Thanks for getting my first C# video. So many views. Blow that up. Like, seriously, tell your friends, tell your friends' friends, tell your dog's friends, tell your mom's friends, even though they'll probably not be interested. They'll just be like, oh, you're learning programming? Congratulations. Yay. They really won't know what it is. So, thank you for watching. I'm Matthew from the Key Republic, and